Got a 2022 Nissan Frontier with the 3.8 liter V6. Got the SV convenience package, technology package, rear wheel drive, power windows, heated premium cloth seats. Also got an 8-inch touchscreen display. Trailer sway dampening. Got terrain select as well. Bed liner. Tow package. Rear sliding window and a tonneau cover as well. LED lighting.